Right, here we go. We got the butterfly temporary tattoos. First you open it up. So there. Do that. And you take it out like so. Once you've taken that, you take a plastic sheet. Is there? Oh, voila. Okay, so let's move the tissue out of the way because we'll need that a bit later. We're going to choose one of these. We're going to choose this one. Right, colourful. So there you go. Once you cut it off, you get your little butterfly. You stick it on your arm like so. Okay. And you get your water. And you go bum bum bum. Make sure you got no hairs in your arms. Just make sure you got it all off. Get really soaked, like so. Make sure it's extra wet. Make sure it's all down. Press down. Bum 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 bum. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. It does take a while to do these, to be honest with you. Alright. And so you can see it sort of slide, but you just want to make sure we don't slide off the picture too. Gently. Oh, I can see that's going a bit. Let's keep that. Do that. That's looking better. As you can see there, wonderful little butterfly. So it takes a little bit of apply that. You have to be really careful with these ones. These are very beautiful. So there you go. Hope you like it. If you want to buy us, link down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more tattoo videos. Thank you so much. Take care.